Trendifyr is your go-to tool for tracking and analyzing visual content trends across websites. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, Trendifyr helps you stay ahead by spotting what's trending: images, videos, icons, and even user-generated content. Getting started is easy. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Trendifyr. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once installed, you'll see the Trendifyr icon in your toolbar, ready to go. With Trendifyr, you can track content types like images, videos, and GIFs, and analyze trends in icons and user-generated content like comments and reviews. Just click on the Trendifyr icon to see real-time data, including the most popular content types and visual trends. Ready to unlock the power of visual content trends? Install Trendifyr today and take your content strategy to the next level. Visit the Chrome Web Store to get started.